Pacie in the City YouTube channel.
Hey, Pacie.
Hi.
Hey, Pacers.
Welcome.
What do you have there today in your hands, Pace?
Today, I have like this little writing tablet.
Okay, so you're holding an LCD writing tablet. And it was gifted to us by Rich GB Toys, which they're available on Amazon, and we'll put their link in the description. And we want to thank them for sponsoring this video. And it's 15 inches LCD screen, right, babe?
Yeah.
All right, so we already opened it because it was we wanted to test it out, so that way Pacie can give an honest review on it.
An honest review, people.
Yeah, Pacers.
Pacers.
All right, so here we go. So it comes in a little plastic box, protector thing,
And when you flip it
and
over,
some directions here.
And look, when you flip
It's
it
pretty
over,
easy to figure out, right, Pace?
Yeah, and when you flip it over, it's like a maze back.
Yeah, there's a little, like, Pacie is like into this maze thing. So there's a pen that you can use for the screen, right? And then if you look down here, there's an on and off button to turn off the screen, so that way it won't accidentally somebody, especially like if you're traveling or whatever, which is good. So right now it's on lock. It's on, right, Pace?
Yes.
I can't tell.
Let me see.
The open lock is okay.
It's on.
Okay, so flip it over.
And let's start drawing.
Why don't you hold it up like this way on your lap? All right, cool.
Oh my God, there's already more.
Okay, yeah.
Let me write my. Can I write my
Yeah,
name?
write your name there. Oh, so hold it this way and write your name.
I can't see.
Look how easy that is. It's easy, right, Pace?
Yeah.
What do you think of it so far?
So cool.
All right, and then to clear it, we push this little button here, right, Pace? Just push that one little button, and it's gone.
Magic.
Yep, and it's so cool. Pacie likes to draw and doodle. So instead of wasting paper, she can doodle on here and take pictures of it with her camera on her phone, right? What else? What else do you want to write? You want to write hello, Pacers on there?
Uh-huh.
Okay, go. Hold it up this way.
I can't do it.
You gotta show them how it works. Be like a teacher, writing on a chalkboard, right?
It's like
Good job, Pace. Anyway, so what do you like about it?
I like it how it's clear.
Yes.
But you know how I don't usually tell what I don't like about it in some of my videos when we do reviews?
Uh-huh.
But there's one thing I need to tell you guys.
What?
I don't like when you touch it, it just like appears when you're stuff.
Yeah, it's a little touch sensitive, but that's okay, right? We'll just have to get used to it. What Mommy likes about it, it's that it's very lightweight. It'll be easy to travel. There's a little, handy pen holder here. Can you click that back in? And with us living in New York City, this will be easy to throw into her backpack.
Not like
And then when we're
traveling,
restaurants. So, instead of her being on her phone or watching YouTube, she could be
Wait, hold on,
playing with this nifty little toy that was given to us by Rich GV Toys. Again, they're available on Amazon, and so we really dig this, right, Pace?
Don't look what I'm drawing.
What did you write?
I want pizza.
I want pizza. Look at that. So now Pacie can even put her dinner order on here. Such a silly goose butt. Alrighty, so what do we tell Rich GB Toys?
Thank you.
Thank you so much for sponsoring this video, and we hope you Pacers will take advantage of this. And Christmas is coming up, so I think this would be a great gift for kids anywhere from ages from pre-K on up. Alrighty?
Thank you.
Alrighty, friends.
Thank you, everybody. Watching this video. Bye-bye. Do say, like and subscribe. Click the bell, please. We hope you enjoy. Bye-bye.